Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There are two big updates. One is from Capgemini and another is from Wipro. Capgemini is hiring 2022 password batch and Wipro is hiring 2021 and 2020 password batch. For Capgemini and Wipro, your qualifications should be either BCA and BSc. What are the branches eligible for BSc? I'll discuss in this video. What is the job role? What is the salary, eligibility, selection process, percentage criteria? Everything we will discuss in this video. So watch full video for better understanding. Let's get started. So first job opportunities from Capgemini. Capgemini pooled campus drive for BC and BSc graduates 2022 batch. For this, BC and BSc candidates are eligible, and if you have done BSc, then your branch should be either computer science, information technology, electronics, statistics, mathematics branch only. Percentage criteria is 55% or above in graduation. There is no percentage criteria for 10th and 12th. You need to sign 2 years of bond. You should not have more than 1 year of education gap from 10th to graduation, and you should not take more than 3 years to complete BC or BSc. Now let's talk about selection process. There will be total 4 rounds. First round will be MCQ based communication test. Second round will be game based aptitude test. Third round will be behavior competency profiling. Fourth round will be interview process. Third round will not be elimination round. I mean behavior competency profiling will not be elimination round, but step 1, step 2 and step 4 will be elimination round. Now how to apply? You need to click here register now. Once you click here register now, then this Superset platform will be opened. Here they posted the job. Here last date to apply is 12 December 2021. Salary will be 2.75 LPA. You need to click here apply now. Once you click here apply now, then here you need to enter your email ID. I am putting just some random email ID @gmail.com. After that we need to click here next. After that we need to click here register and apply. After that we need to fill this form. Okay, that's it. Now let me discuss about second job opportunity. Second job opportunity is from Wipro. Wipro WILP final year 2020 and 2021 off campus hiring. For this also BC and BSc candidates are eligible, and if you have done BSc, then your branch should be either computer science, electronics, not electronics, computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics and physics. Yeah, electronics also. And these are the other criteria you can read, and these are the stipend. And let's talk about selection process. So first round will be online assessment test of 80 minutes. There you need to solve aptitude test. In the aptitude test, verbal, analytical, quantitative. Each section has 20 minutes, 20 questions. And second in the round 1, second part will be written communication test. You will get 20 minutes for this, and you need to write an essay in 20 minutes. And after that you need to if you will selected, then you will be eligible for technical interview followed by HR interview. And last date to apply is 12 December 2021, and online assessment will be held between 15 December to 17 December. Now how to apply? You just need to click here apply. I have already provided the link. That's it. Now let me tell you how to create quiz on Unacademy Learner platform. First, you need to download this Unacademy Learner app. You can search this app on Play Store for Android user or on App Store for iOS user. Or you can directly download this app from the link which I have provided in the description box. After downloading the app, you can log in using your credentials. After that, select Gate category. Then you will find this page. This process is for Android user, but this is a similar process for iOS user also. Now here you can find there are 3 options. First one is home, second one is self study, third one is me in the bottom. So you need to select second option, self study. Once you select self study, after that you need to select here tests. Once you click here tests, after that here you can find one option live quiz. You need to click here live quiz. Once you click here live quiz, here you need to click here host quiz. Once you click here host quiz, So here you can find two options. First one is resume quiz, second one is host new quiz. I have already created a quiz, so that's why I am getting this option. So in case I'll click here host new quiz. I'll click here host new quiz. Here we can select multiple categories. It means multiple topics. Either you can select mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, ECE, CS and IT, civil engineering, chemical engineering, GS and mathematics. Let's select CS and IT. You can select any topics. So suppose I want to create a quiz in let's select yeah, array. Okay, suppose I want to select quiz for array, so I'll click here array, and I can select multiple topics, no issue. So we need to click here next. After that we need to give here topic. Okay, so I am going to give topic. What was the topic? I can say any topic. So I'm putting array quiz. Okay, after that we can select number of questions. So I can select 5 questions or 10 questions. Okay, so 10 questions and 40 seconds per questions. After that we need to click here create quiz. Once I'll click here create quiz, then we are done. Now we can copy this code and we can share this code. Okay, there are two options. First one is you can directly send this code to anyone, or you can directly share this app, this link. You need to click here on this icon, share button. You need to click here share. After that you can share on WhatsApp, or you can send on Facebook and copy to clipboard. Okay, and you can send that link. Then your friend can directly join that quiz. Okay, that's it. While filling the form, if you face any difficulties, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.